Welcome back. Well, this is Medical Lab Professionals Week, and we're now joined by Sona Kumar. She's the Program Director of Clinical Lab Science and Assistant Professor at LSUA. She's discussing some of the programs offered there. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for joining us.
Nice to be here, and I'm excited to be here to talk about our Medical Laboratory Professional Week. And we are in the 41st year of celebrating the National Medical Laboratory Professional Week, and it all started in 1975 by American Society of Clinical Laboratory Science.
Okay.
So this week, the medical laboratory professions, they are dedicated lab professions who work behind the scene every day towards the patient care.
Wow, I didn't realize how many laboratory professionals there are.
Yeah,
300,000.
300,000 medical laboratory profession across the nation that work every day. They work hard towards the patient care. Yes.
So this celebration of this week's celebration is to heighten the awareness of your lab services.
Yes.
Tell us about what you offer at LSUA, the different programs that you have.
Okay. At LSU, we offer 2 degree programs. There's a 2-year associate degree program, and then the students, they graduate with the clinical laboratory technician degree, and then we also offer 4-year bachelor's degree in the medical laboratory science, and then the 4-year degree is completely 100% online.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's 2+2 degree level, and it's like a ladder program. The students who are already graduated from the MLT program from the NACLS Accredited Institute, they can move further and the further education in the 4-year degree program. And the classes that are offered, they are 7 weeks online. Okay. And students can take 2 7-week classes at a time. And once they finish their coursework, they will still be working as an MLT because they require 2 years of their work experience before they sit for the boards. So while they're working, they're also having their education, and in the after 2 years, they can sit for the boards and apply for the state license and then have a job. And I tell my students that they're almost guaranteed they're going to have a job once they graduate, because there is such a shortage of the laboratory personnel.
And that workforce is growing,
right?
Correct?
And there's a 17% growth for the jobs from 2014 to 2024 in this field compared to other laboratory professions where the growth rate is 14.5. So there's a very good opportunity for the students that they're going to have a job.
Okay.
Well, I guess that's why you offer now online education, so you can continue working during the day and at your schedule.
Right.
Customize it to your needs, so that way, and it's 100% online.
Right, because the MLT or the CLT is a 2-year associate degree. So you further your education. With education comes more responsibility, but also comes more pay.
Yeah.
Right.
So and that's always good.
Yes.
Okay, so how can people learn about all the medical professional careers this week on campus? Where are they going to go?
For the lab week, actually, the lab week is celebrated by the laboratory professionals.
Okay.
And so it's inside the, it's basically the lab
of the
people.
school, yeah.
They do something, and most of the time, the institution or the hospitals, the employees, they hire laboratory employees. They're not much recognized by the institution itself. So the laboratory personnel, they get together and do something during that week. They play lab games, they have potluck, so stuff like that.
A little bit everywhere.
Yeah, heightens the awareness of the
Yes.
need in the community.
Yeah, and then 70% of the physician diagnoses they make in their everyday, they come from the laboratory results that we people do behind the scenes. We are behind the scenes. We are not in the direct contact with the patient, and I tell my students, or anywhere on the university, if you want to go in a healthcare profession with minimum patient contact, so this will be a right profession for you.
This is wonderful information. We are so glad you joined us this morning.
Thanks,
on
Sona.
Good Day, Sinla.
Thank you, and nice to be here. Thank you.
More to come after this.